Car tester Ronnie Levstek presents the Toyota Proace Verso, explaining that it's available in 2 wheelbases and 3 different lengths, whether people carrier or panel van. In addition, it offers a long list of trim levels. We're testing the long version of the Toyota Proace Verso with 8 seats to find out what it has to offer. Ronnie has already noticed that for business or pleasure, day-to-day or holiday driving, certain details will tend to stand out. The cockpit doesn't look all that typical for a people carrier. The drive selector is a knob on the center console. The van comes with center armrests and massage seats. The storage compartments in the doors draw Ronnie's attention. He likes being able to stow water bottles, for example, easily in the door, rather than reach around behind himself or, even worse, go thirsty. All the stowage in front is very practical for daily use. But what about the driving itself? Ronnie feels the 2-liter diesel in this Proace Verso suits it quite well. It puts out 130 kilowatts and sounds nice and throaty for a diesel, though not too loud. And the Proace has surprisingly good pickup. The van accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 8.8 seconds. Toyota rates fuel consumption at 6.1 liters per 100 kilometers. It reaches top speed at 185 kilometers per hour. In Germany, the 8-seat Proace Verso with a long wheelbase and 8-speed automatic transmission lists for just over 48,000 euros. Ronnie describes the steering as very responsive but far too light. So, in tight spots, it takes a lot of cranking to move the wheels from one extreme to the other. But on the road, the Proace Verso is easygoing. It's comparatively wide, but at 1.92 meters height, it can fit into most parking garages. The front bears a certain resemblance to German counterparts by VW and Mercedes. From the side, the most striking feature is the 3.28-meter wheelbase, giving the Proace Verso a total length of 5.31 meters. The loading sill is nice and low, and the tailgate nice and big to accommodate taller objects. Sitting in back, Ronnie feels almost like he's on an airplane. He notes that the rear seat rows are designed much like airplane seats, with fold-down tables and cup holders. And if that's not enough, an armrest can be folded up, and another table pulled out. That makes for a comfortable working surface. And all the passengers have their own reading lamps, as well as individually adjustable air vents. Light utility vehicles are growing in popularity on the European market, and the Proace is a good value. It offers plenty of space, comfort, and all kinds of extras.